we would like to share with you what Siemens in association with CII we are planning to do in the state of Goa. As you know, Siemens is there in Goa for almost last 25 years. We have been active in this Revna industrial district for a very long time. Of late, 10-12 years back, we have also added our number of factories, so we are having now 5 factories of Siemens in Goa location. And last May, we have already announced that we are going for a major expansion. And as per this major expansions, we are going to add the factory capacity, so close to 333 crores of investment which we will be doing in this financial year. So this is a major expansion, and when we are growing, we would also like to make the MSMEs of Goa to be part of this our growth journey. And for that we are organizing this buyer-seller meet, where the components we have identified, we would like to share this with the industries over here, give them an opportunity to become part of our I would say journey of growth. And Siemens is a world leader in the electrical industry. We are very much present over there in the mobility, in infrastructure and industry. And it will be a good opportunity for the MSMEs in Goa to work closely with the MSME, multinational company, to understand the global standards. And it is good for the youth, for the employment also in Goa region. So that's what I would like to share.
Good evening, media friends. I welcome my colleague, Director Industries Ashwin, and CII Vice Chair, Goa State Council Vice Chairman Mr. Mahendra Vani, and my other colleagues for this press briefing. The purpose of this press briefing is Directorate of Industries, Trade and Commerce in association with the CII in Goa is going to organize buyer-seller meet on Friday 11th April 2025 at Taj Vivanta, Panji. We are all aware of that under the able leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant and Honorable Industry Minister Mohan Gudinodji. So we have been promoting MSMEs and we are trying to build ecosystem of MSMEs. The sole objective of the government is to provide employment opportunity for local Goans. That is the objective of industries in this department, and which we have been trying to achieve in various forms, like we are reformulating the umbrella scheme, and one more thing is we are doing ramp scheme, and of course through Industrial Development Corporation we are allotting the plots and all those various activities we have been carrying out. Now, having said that, now the association with the CII now is how to build the ecosystem so that MSME, whatever MSMEs are there in the local people, that local product, all these original equipment manufacturers of various companies like Siemens and other companies. Now, first preference should be given to local companies. For example, I am the MSME. I am producing some X equipment. That X equipment should be readily available to produce that particular MNC companies and all those things, so that immediately readily available buyer seller association and collaboration has to be done. That is the objective of Department of Industry, so that more number of MSMEs could register, more number of MSMEs could avail benefits whatever government of Goa is providing, so that their products are readily sold to the various MNCs which are working within the ecosystem of Goa. That is the objective. As part of that, I would like to on behalf of the Industries Department, I would like to thank CII and GM Siemens also, because we have started it as a pilot basis, and we are going to do it in the buyer sellers meet through various associations along with the department every monthly meet once. So that I would request again CII to make it as a monthly event along with the department, so that we need to provide such type of opportunity for local MSMEs so that they could sell their products to whatever industries operating within the Goa, right? So we are aware of that. This such type of buyer-seller meet provides a marketplace where sellers can meet the potential buyers, offering their what are the products and services they are offering, and knowing their technological expertise also and capabilities, and understand what industry exactly demands, so that what are the specifications that the industry demands. So accordingly, we need to develop those products and sell at the doorstep. That is the objective of this buyer-sellers meeting, and this entire buyer-sellers platform provides for lot of B2B interactions also, and they could understand what are the supply requirement of the market, and accordingly they produce such type of products and they sell it. This is the objective. So this is like this is a platform where it provides one-to-one opportunity to interact and knowing potential market opportunities, and what are the key leaders in the marketplace, and supply according to their product specifications. So this is the objective of this entire buyer-sellers meet, and I would request all media friends kindly promote in various through reach out to various MSMEs also along with Department of Industries, and we need your cooperation to reach out to all MSMEs, and of course all MNCs also. Look, whatever products you are developing, whatever product requirement you are having, so first priority should be our local Goans. So that is the key objective of this entire exercise, and I would thank my directorate and the CAA and Siemens company also to begin with as a pilot basis, and of course we are going to roll out in a big scale in future also. Thank you. Any questions?
Existing industries expansion is fine, and this buyer-seller meeting is fine. Why new industries are not coming in Goa?
So see, our limited interaction today is limited to
Expansion.
yes. This is limited interaction today is to promote. This is the because after long we are starting such of exercise. So our sincere and earnest request to all the media friends is, let's promote this one. Let's reach out to till the grassroots level, all MSMEs, because MSMEs starts from vendors to small vendors to big players like micro, small, medium, and large. So this is a really good platform to know each other and interact with each other and know what are the market specifications required. And as per market specifications, I need to develop my product.
That's fine. But still, why not in specific reason?
I wanted to know how many MSMEs are there in the state, and if you all have any idea, like what is the extent presently, how many of them supply to larger industry as vendors, like how many of them supply components?
So far in as per Udyam portal registrations, more than 60,000 plus MSMEs present across Goa. So and they are already selling their products to various manufacturing units and through various as you are aware of, there is a scheme called RAMP and the Government of India scheme where the state government, the Department of Industry is also implementing. So recently also we have conducted one workshop where how to resolve their grievances and how to settle their payments within no time. So all these interactions, we have been doing that frequently along with Government of India and Department. And of course, whenever we are interacting and whenever we are involving, then certainly we are involving all the associations also, so that their products could be sold out in a better manner. So as part of this, as part of that, by keeping that vision of the department, we have started this as a pilot basis, and we are going to roll out. And future we will come to know, in much larger scale. And rest of the details we are going to. And apart from that, what we are doing is we have started survey at the ground level, and pilot basis we have started all the industrial areas now. What sort of MSMEs are present, what is their requirement, and connect between the market and MSMEs. That's also going to be completed soon.
So since you are talking about the locals, can you just give the percentage of how many SMEs of local people can you just tell?
So these 60,000 MSMEs basically registered under Udyam portal, and they are registered in Udyam portal, and we are going, as I mentioned, we have started survey already. So and in this survey, I think within 2 or 3 months we will be able to complete that survey also. So in that one, we are completely come to know what are the various categories of MSMEs and what are the products they are developing, and what sort of market linkages they are looking for. Such type of complete details we will be able to provide you once that survey is complete.
From this meet, any national companies will be joining here?
No, because initially we want to, as a start as a pilot basis with, the Siemens company has come forward. Look, we are developing such type of products, and they have given the product specifications also, and they have mentioned, as mentioned, more than 330 crores they want to invest and expand in, in Goa.
Siemens is the only collaborator.
At present, we as a pilot, as I mentioned, as a pilot basis we are starting with, and we are roping in rest of the companies also.
Other large industries will be a part of this buyer-seller meet or only Siemens?
No, we are open to everyone. In fact, we want to.
On the level.
Now at present Siemens has come forward. So we want to reach out each and everyone, so that please come forward and join this initiative, so that large number of OEM companies will come forward and connect with the MSMEs with the MNCs.
Sir, for the inaugural, who will be present? Ministers?
Minister also we have invited, right? So we will invite Honorable Minister also along with the department. Thank you.